More than 30 million people around the world are missing either a hand or two. 40% of them are children and youth, and only 5% have access to prosthetics since it can reach $100,000. That was the reason to found Cure, where we believe that superheroes don't wear capes but prosthetics. We were inspired by our amputees themselves.
And that helped our team to develop an amazing bionic hand that is 3D printed using an ecological raw material extracted from corn. And it has an adjustable socket since children grow fast. It's controlled via muscles, so no need for any surgical intervention to implement it. And it's easy to use thanks to an advanced artificial intelligence algorithm. It will be easy to assemble without assistance like Lego, and it will have a solar and wireless charger to impact more people with no access to electricity. It's customizable thanks to removable and changeable external covers. Added to that, we developed a therapeutic solution since amputees have to travel for hours to reach the therapy centers, where they go through a boring and stressing therapy process that takes too much time and money. Using our solution V-Rehab, amputees can see a virtual hand, move it, and instead of boring exercises, they'll be playing games that simulate the therapeutic exercises without the need to move to the therapy centers, since they can do it at home, while the doctor can do the follow-up from distance while getting real-time data through our platform. At Cure, we are innovating to solve urgent global problems, but most importantly, to empower people with disabilities.
نعمل ميوزيك من اللي أنا كنت صغير وحلمي باش نولي نهار آخر شاب أوركسترا.
أنا من اللي كنت صغيرة كنت نحلم برشا باش نطلع على المسرح. كن جيلا عظيما كما أملوا، كن من يقال فيهم عظماء ومن العظيم ما فعلوا.
We dream to introduce new superheroes to the world.
Be part of the dream.